Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the tragic incident that happened to Air India Express flight AXB 134 carrying 190 people including 174 passengers and 10 infants, which was bound to Kozhikode from Dubai. The flight from Dubai was part of a Vande Bharat mission to bring home stranded people from other countries amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. The pilot in command was Captain Deepak Sathe, who was a former Indian Air Force wing commander who flew MiG-21 and was later a test pilot before retiring after 22 years in service. He then became a commercial pilot. And Mr. Akhilesh Kumar was a co-pilot. The flight took off from Dubai on August 7th at 2 p.m. and was expected to land at Kozhikode International Airport at 7:45 p.m. The runway which has to be landed was a tabletop runway, which means it is located on a hilltop with gorges on either side. And before landing, the pilot requested for another runway. And the pilot made several attempts to land, but the weather was really bad. The aircraft shoots off the runway and skidded off, breaking the aircraft into two pieces. Preliminary investigation says that there was a problem with the lights in the middle of the runway, which is also called as the center lights, that gives the pilot a better estimate of the runway, but this runway had no such light. It is also called as a black hole approach. And also the plane has experienced a tailwind, and combined with the black hole problem made the pilot difficult to estimate the runway. And this could be the reason why 18 people, including the pilot and the co-pilot, lost their lives. A similar such incident has also occurred to the Air India Express on 22nd May of 2010, where 158 people lost their life and 8 miraculously escaped. If you all found my video informative, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.